Good evening, friends.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
What are you going to teach today, ma'am?
English.
All right.
E N
Is it a cursive?
G. Yes.
All right. Okay. So, what are you going to teach in English today?
E sound, I sound, and E sound.
All right. You can start with that.
Okay.
All right.
So, E. Oh, I found the B.
Okay. You are going to teach the I sound, A sound.
And E sound.
Okay.
Like A, E, I, O, U. Like vowels.
Okay. Okay. I got it.
A, B, A, B, A, T.
Bat.
Very good.
Yes. It's A sound.
Yes, it's A sound.
Okay.
Very good.
It's A sound. Okay.
Okay. W, A,
Bat.
G.
Bat.
Bag.
Yes. It's another A sound.
Yes. And here I draw the pictures.
Okay. You can write in the bottom, just below. Yeah.
T, A, G.
What is that? Loudly, little louder, please. Little louder. You are a teacher. You need to be louder.
Bag.
Okay. So it's a A sound. Another, ma'am.
Yes.
Another A sound.
Now, H, A, T.
Hat.
Very good.
So another A sound. So can you draw a picture of hat?
Yes, on some time.
Sometime later.
Yes, now means
First you are drawing.
first
Okay.
finish, then I draw.
Okay.
Okay. So, then
Eat, wag, tag, hat, all are A sounds.
yes.
Okay.
E, E, A, T, At.
Eat.
Eat, very good.
It's already there. EAT.
E, A, E for elephant. E, A for E, A, T, E.
Okay. It's A sound.
Now is enough.
Okay. So A sound is done. Right? We are done with the A sounds.
Yes.
So can you draw a picture of that?
Yes.
Anyone?
Yes.
Can you draw a hat?
Now, you write A.
Okay.
A. Like now A. I'm only make a triangle. A. A.
Okay. So A sound is done.
Oh,
Okay.
sorry.
Okay, so we will.
Now we will draw pictures.
Okay.
My small chalk now.
Okay.
This. Now bat.
Okay. Oh, got it. This is E and that is bat.
Like playing one bat.
Okay. I thought both are both are bat. And this is hat. Can you draw a hat?
This bag.
Yes. Can you draw a bag?
Bag like somebody balls was used bag.
Yeah. Somebody's bald. Yeah, bald people, they used to have a bag. Bag. Yes. Okay. This is bag. Can you draw a tag now?
Bag. That's a new.
Yes.
And here a little bit like this.
Okay.
110.
Yes. It's tag number.
Is it
100
right?
tag. Yes.
Just tell how much is it.
Yes.
Now hat. Hat make like this.
Yeah, we have to make like this.
And here a little bit upside. Little flower.
Yes. Okay.
Now one last.
Eat.
Last. Yes.
We have to make a pizza.
Nom, 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 nom,
Is it a
nom.
pizza?
Yes.
Are you going to make a pizza? Burger? What? What is this? This is slice of the pizza?
Yes.
Oh my god, this is slice of the pizza. That's fine. So we have done A sounds today, right?
Yes.
So another class we'll have
Another class. See you tomorrow. I love you.
Alright, so we'll having